Okay, good morning dear students. Students, today we will learn about the properties of determinant. Basically, we have 7-8 properties of a determinant. And the first property of a determinant, the transpose property. This is the transpose property. Transpose of a square matrix does not change its determinant. Okay. First is the transpose. Transpose means transpose. When we change the rows into column and column into row of a matrix, then the matrix this type of operation is known as the transpose of a matrix. For example, suppose that we have a square matrix. This is the square matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, this is the square matrix. Then when we change rows into column and column into rows, then this matrix, this is the R1 first row, this is R2 second row, this is R3 third row. Okay, then the transpose of this is represented by A transpose, that is equal to first row change into first column means 1, 2, 3. This is first row change into first column, second row change into second column, and third row change into third column. This type of operation is known as the transpose of a matrix. Okay. This type of operation is known as transpose of a matrix. Now, the condition is the determinant of a matrix is always equal to the determinant of its transpose. Okay. For example, suppose that we have a matrix A equal to, this is the matrix A, this is the determinant A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0. Sorry. 1 0 1 1 0 0 5 6 7 and 1 2. Okay, and the transpose of this is A transpose, it is equal to 1 1 0 0 4 5 and 6 and 7 1 and 2. The determinant of this is 1 into 10 minus 6 and minus 0 and plus 0. Then the determinant of this is equal to 4. When the determinant of A equal to this, and similarly the determinant of A transpose is equal to 1 into 10 minus 6, this is 10 minus 6, minus 4 into 4 into 0 minus 0, plus 7 into 0 minus 0. Then determinant is equal to 4. Okay. In the both case, the determinant is same. So always the determinant of the transpose of a matrix is always equal to the determinant of the actual matrix. Okay, or actual matrix. This is the first property of a determinant. Second is if all elements of rows or column of a square matrix are 0. If all rows or column of a square matrix equal to 0, the determinant of that matrix is 0. Okay, it means suppose that we have a determinant A equal to this 0, 0 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, in this case the determinant of this determinant matrix is always equal to 0, or we can simplify this 0. This is a 12 minus 15 and minus 1. This is the 0 minus 0 plus 4. This is the 0 minus 0. Then it is equal to this part is 0, this is 0 and plus this is 0. Answer is 0. So the determinant of a square matrix in which any one column, in which all the digit of the any one column equal to 0, then the determinant is always equal to 0. Similarly, suppose that we have a matrix this, we have a determinant like this 0, 0, 0, 0, in which only one row is 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, the determinant of this is also equal to 0. This is the second property. If all elements of a row or column of a square matrix are 0, then the determinant of the matrix is equal to 0. Okay, this is the very important property of the determinant. Third is, if two rows or column of a square matrix, if any two rows or column of a square matrix have same values, then the determinant of the matrix equal to 0. For example, suppose that A equal to this 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, 3. 1 and last is 5, 6, and 7. This is the first example. And second example, B equal to 5, 6, 7. Second is 4, 9, and 4, 9, and 2, 3. Okay. In both cases, in the first determinant, the first row is identical with second row. Both rows are same. The first row and second row are same. In this case, always the determinant of A equal to 0. Okay. In this case, we have the first column. We have the first column is identical with second column. First column or second column both same. In this case, the C1. This is the column number 1. Column number 2. C1 equal to C2. That is the determinant of B equal to 0. And in this case, the R1, this is the R1, this is R2, R1 equal to R2, then the determinant of A equal to 0. Okay, if you want to simplify this, then the answer of this is 1 minus 14 minus 18 minus 2, and this is the 7 minus 15 and plus 3, this is the 6 minus 10. Then it is equal to minus 4, then minus 2 into minus 8 plus 3 into minus 4. Then it is equal to 8. This is the multiplication. 8 minus 8. This is minus 4. This is plus 16. And minus 12, then it is equal to 0. Okay, so the third condition shows that if we have two determinant, if we have any determinant in which the two rows or any two rows or two column or more than two rows or two column are identical or same, then always the determinant of that matrix equal to 0. So these are the three properties of the determinant. Okay. Friends, in our next lecture we will learn about the another property of the determinant. Thank you.